So, hi everyone! Ngayon naman, kanina diba, I showcased to you yung mga materials that I bought from Shopee, no? Now, we're going to set up the water system of the rabbits. Okay? So, ito na yung hose kanina na inopen ko. So, now, I'm cutting it down. Because we're going to prepare 20 water outlets for the 20 cages. Yan. So this is how it goes. We cut it here. Tapos we're going to prepare something like this. Where is it? Okay. This one. So we're going to prepare something like this. So pag dudugtong-dugtungin siya, like that. And then we're going to connect the end sa tank that will provide water for all the entire cage, no? So initially, we're going to cut it down para later, dire-diretso na lang yung paggawa natin. So my hubby is the one putting the, what we call this, the tip. Kasi ang hirap niya ilagay. Medyo ano siya, medyo masikip, mahirap. So this one, no? So my hubby is the one putting this down. Kasi ang hirap niya ilagay. Ikot-ikot sa loob. So we're going to prepare 20 of this one para later on, dire-diretso na kami. So you just have to make sure na pantay-pantay sila para kahit pa paano maganda siya tignan. So this, I got this for all like this to do is, PPE that's more than 3 so we have to price for this water for if I want to do this. So now we're going to set up early, but it's stress, and it's so we set up early, zero that now, as I mentioned, no? We have used yung zero one, rubber years, and everything goes by, and additional class. But this one, meron siyang automatic ano sa end. So when you put it like that, tapos, you're gonna press it here, automatic malalak. So meaning to say, hindi siya basta-basta mapupull out unless this one, this area, ipipress mo siya. So this is a better connector compared to the cheaper one. The difference would be mga 15 to 20 pesos, no? Pero it's worth your money. Number one, for efficient water supply for your rabbits. Number two, it saves you time also. Kasi you don't have to monitor and matagal naman siya. Sobrang sobrang tigas niya talaga. Matigas siya. So let me count, no, how many I made. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So I made enough. So I am supposed to just make 20, no? I made 20 sets of this already. So next naman, I'm gonna prepare the connections. So I'm just going to measure. I-measure ko muna kasi this is where we're going to connect the T. I'm gonna use T connector naman. This one. So nakita nyo kanina, no? This one, this is a setup already, this one. So from here, we're gonna use another hose, ayan, to complete the setup. So from there and there and there, so dugtong-dugtong sila. It's gonna be easier kasi as in isang tank na lang yung provide mo. You don't have to refill kasi initially we use yung mga parang small buckets, yung parang it's a clay pot. Dati yun ang ginagamit namin. So, uneasy, no? You have to refill every now and then. But with this water system, you just have to fill out the tank. So, we're just using yung, distilled water, 5 gallons, I think. Yun, yung 1 container pala, should I say. So, we use that, and every day, we refill in the morning, more likely mga every other day naman siya. Kasi we don't use the entire cages for just 1 container. We we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setup for the water system. So, hindi siya mabilis maubos. So, yung refill namin, it's depende. Kapag mainit yung panahon, mas mabilis silang mag-consume ng water. So, pag mainit ang panahon, every day kami nagre-refill, every morning. Pero pag hindi naman, katulad ngayon, tag-ulan ng konti, hindi naman, we don't need to refill yung tank ng every day. So, yun. So, for now, let me just measure, no? I'm just going to get the measurement, ano, for every cage. So, after nun, set up ko naman yung para dun sa connections na nila. Okay? So, I'll get back to you kapag na-measure ko na siya. Okay? So, siguro, anuhin ko na siya, i-measure ko na siya. Let me try kung kasya na siya. So, after this one, this is directly na para dun sa pag-inom na ng rabbit. And then, from here, eto yon. It's gonna be like this. Ayan. So, we're going to prepare connections for this one. Ito, diretso to sa rabbit. Dito sila iinom. This is a push type. So, kapag iinom sila, pag ginanyan nila to, when they bite this, no, lalabas yung water for this, no. So, this water type system is really convenient and at the same time, guaranteed para doon sa sa supply ng tubig para sa mga rabbit. Set up like this. So, ayan. So, you put it like that, as I have mentioned, kapag pinush mo siya, there's no way it's gonna pull out. Unless, you push this, and then you pull it out. Okay? So, safe ito, hindi siya basta-basta na natatanggal or nakakalas. Okay? So, you put it like this, and then, this is placed here, like that. So, yan. Ganyan yung setup niya. And then this one, ito na yung magiging, okay. So, you have to make sure na itong pinaka-teeter, taas ba to, Daddy? Baba. Baba. So, mali ako. So, we pull it out. Again. Yan. So, you have to make sure na ito nasa baba. So, sabi niya nasa baba. So, ganyan. It's gonna be like that. Oh, yan. And then, it's gonna be positioned like that. Okay. So, I have to make sure I'll make another hose like this. Like this size. Ayan. So, nagayahin ko lang yung measurement niya. And I'm gonna cut this. Ayan. So, then, connect ko na siya. There you have it. I have one water system already. Ayan. So, yan. Ipoposition na siya ng ganyan. Ganyan siya. So, yan. Dugtong-dugtong na sila hanggang sa dulo. Pero this one, this is going to supply the water for the, rabbit. Ayan. Mali. Dapat, it should be flexed toward, ayan pala. Yan. So, ganyan na siya. Until sa dulo, ganyan siya. So, we have to provide if we're going to make 20 cages, more likely, 20 rin na ganito. 20 na setup for this. So, after this, ilalagay na namin siya, tapos dudugtong-dugtongin na namin siya. Okay? So, I have to make sure na tama siya. So, I'll make another one. Okay. So, by the way, ito, ganyan siya. And then, this is, you call this T-type. And then, sa end niya, para naman sa connection, para sa second floor. So we're gonna use L, the L type. So gonna put it like that. Ayan. So ganyan siya. Ito naman yung connection sa taas. Or this will be the connection pababa naman, kung sa pababa. Pero ito yung sa edge. When we're gonna use yung dugtong na sa edge, we're gonna use the elbow. Okay, the elbow or the L type. This one is the T type and this one is the elbow. Okay? So, sige. Tingnan natin later kapag isa-set up na natin. Okay? So this is now the setup for the water system. As you can see, in-elevate namin yung nilagyan ng water. This is the valve. So meron siyang on and off. We have on and off here. And then this is the connection. There you have it. Remember what I have shown you, the elbow. It is used to connect the corners. Okay. Then another elbow. And then we're gonna use T connector here. So there you have it. Now this is the water system for the entire rabbit. And there's my husband. Okay. So as you can see now, we don't have any problem as regard water supply for them. And we can check how far the water releases from the system. So yun, konting ano lang nila, medyo maganda yung water system. We usually check this kasi sometimes may problem, no? So this is the entire water system for the cage ng mga mommies, no? And then we have our second water system here. Okay, over here, as you can see. So this is the connection. Yan. As you can see, no, all of the connections are working. And we don't have any problem right now as regard the release of water. Kasi we don't have to worry also. As you can see, konting ano lang, konting pindot lang, konting inom lang nila. Malakas yung water system. So connected yan hanggang sa likod. So it's easy. You just have to fill yung tank na ginamit namin, which is actually we just modified yung tank. We used the distilled water gallon. Ayan. So all of them has a very good water system right now. So no need to worry. Sometimes kasi when you use a clay pot, sometimes it has the tendency to have poops inside or wee-wee inside. So with this water system, you are sure that the water that they are drinking is clean. Alright? So for now, ayan muna tayo. Maybe next time, I'll be showing you another tip or some of the tips that we use in this backyard rabbitry. Okay, bye for now.